Feel comfortable? Okay, practice stopping. Hold the clutch in. Just coast. Hit the brake if you want. There you go. Okay, take off again. You want to turn around? Do you want to turn around?
Oh, yeah.
You can go that way. Just go straight.
Wait, is it neutral?
I didn't put it in neutral. Then it's in first gear. Push down, make sure you're...
I shifted it to that.
Well, push down, make sure you're in first gear. Take off first gear. That might be first gear. Try it. A little gas. Gas, gas. Gas, gas. There you go.
Neutral.
Okay. There you go. Did you hear it click in?
Yeah.
Just go around this loop. There you go. Good job shifting. Just keep a lookout for cars. If you see a car, you got to stop. And you got to start using your back brake a little more too. I know it's hard. What you can do is you can use your back brake till you almost stop, and then put your foot down. There you go. Practice stopping. Stop quick. There you go. The back brake doesn't work too good, does it? I think you have it. So I'm gonna go out to the road and we're gonna go left down that dirt road, okay? Is this thing recording right now?
Yeah.
It is? Red lights are on?
Well, I don't see any red lights. I just see 131.
Oh, okay. Do you want your goggles?
I don't know. Do you
I'm not sure. We'll just go down the road a little bit. Hopefully I can start this thing. This thing can be a pain in the butt. Good job taking off, buddy. That was great.
My hand starts to hurt.
Well, put it in neutral. Sounds like it's gonna stall. There. How's that? You should try to start this one. Wow. The red light's blinking or no?
Well, I see it counting like 6, 7, 8.
It is? Okay. Yep, so try to drive. There's ruts down there, so believe it or not, drive right in the middle of the rut with your feet down. Go for it. You'll have to peel out, so give gas. Yep. It'll be wobbly. Stay in the tire track though. You're fine. That's sand. That's what it does. Stay right in the middle of the rut. Yep. Don't try to climb out of it. You're not coming out of this rut. You have to go straight through it. Perfect. Go, go, go. That's all right. You're feeling it. There you go. You did it, buddy. That's the worst of it. If you want to go that slow every time, that's fine, but you won't be able to steer left or right when you're in that stuff. See? Careful. See, it's hard because we're going slow. But you can't go fast because you're not used to it yet. So you're kind of on a slant. Start slowing down. Okay, see, you're on a wall right now. Go down. There you go. Straight into the middle. Yep. feel how it corrected itself? That's fine. You can gas it. It's actually fun doing that. You just don't want to stop because it's hard to get going. Yeah, this is the sand's the hardest stuff, but it's everywhere. So go. It's all right. Stay in the kind of keep the bike upright. There you go. Don't let off. There you go. You got it. There you go. You're getting used to the feel, I think. I think you are. I'd say you are. Yep. Yeah. Well. Try to keep it as straight as you can. Part of the problem is your back tire's bald. But it's really the front tire you gotta watch. Yeah. I know it doesn't seem like you would want to pick up speed, but when you actually get used to it